Couponing with Tisa.
Hey, everybody. Happy Monday. You guys know what time it is. We're about to head into Walmart to do our midweek moneymaker bonus. I got a great, fantastic dollar for 10 offers. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Comment below and let me know what you all got for your bonus for this week. Couple of newbie deals that are available. Definitely going to still be stocking up on this Lysol laundry sanitizer. Y'all know that's my boo. I love that stuff. But yeah, let's head on into a Walmart. Again, not a lot of new rebates that are happening this week, but we're gonna make it do what it do because we're trying to move towards this bonus. I don't know if I'm gonna get that bonus done or not because yeah, it's a lot. But nonetheless, I'm going to try to do my best and show you guys some new deals in the Walmart that's happening this week. So let's head on into the store. Guys, we have quite a few vitamin rebates on Ibotta. That's because, again, we're gearing up to head into the fall, which we know is like cold and flu season. And we're getting ready to head back into those school buildings for us that are educators and for the kids. So one rebate I found was on this VitaFusion. It's $5.98. It has a $2.25 rebate attaching to it. Plus I have two other 10-cent. One is any sleep aid and any vitamin that is attaching to it. So if you have those two as well, this is going to make your total $3.53 for these vitamins, which is not a bad deal. And that rebate is also attaching to this little critter ones as well for the kiddos. There's also another rebate on these immune and sleep and multivitamins for $9.96. Basically they're buy one get one free. You'll pick up two of them, then use the Ibotta rebate, so you'll end up paying $9.96 for both of them. Any brand vitamin is also attaching to it as well. Here is also another deal you can do. Now this women's multivitamin by Nature's Bounty for $5.94 is attaching to that any sleep aid and any vitamin, so it's only giving 20 cents back. However, the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, this one as well is attaching to the $2 rebate plus those other two rebates as well. This one is attaching as well. So if you like the Nature's Bounty one, then this might be a good deal for you. And if Ollie is your jam, the women's ones up here, they are attaching to a $4 rebate. None of the other rebates are attaching to it, but it does have a $4 one that is attaching to it. These Ollies have a $1.51 that is attaching to it, so you can pick up one of these and get the $1.50 rebate. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the vitamins that have rebates, so just check your Ibotta account. There are so many vitamin rebates, so definitely a good time to stock up on some vitamins. All right, I lied, y'all. One more vitamin I'm going to show y'all, and that's on this Sambucus. I think that's how you say it. By Nature's Way. It's $14.97. It has a $5 rebate that's attaching to it. This is for kiddos. Again, really good for their immune system, especially again since we're about to head back into school. We got a new rebate for the Tina pads, so you can pick these up at $5.46. It does have a $3 rebate that's attaching to it. It also has, for some reason, any sleep aid that's attaching to it when I scan it in my app. I don't know what's that about, but anyway, you can pick that up, get $3 off plus the 10 cents if you actually have that as well. So that'll take your total down to just $2.36. Now I have a rebate that's on checkout 51 for $4 back when I pick up two of them. So if I picked up two, that would make my total $10.92. I would get back $6 on Ibotta for picking up two of them, because the rebate, I think the limit is up to 3 or 4 times, maybe 5. Plus I will get back the $4 on my checkout 51 app. That will leave me at just a total for both of them of just 92 cents. So that's not a bad deal for some Tina pads. Here's the deal on Advil as well. Now you can pick up the $4.28 one. It does have a 10-cent any pain reliever that is attaching to it, but the Advil liquid gels at $6.78, or if you get the Advil PM ones, they are attaching to a $2 rebate plus the any pain reliever one as well. So just depending on what you need, that's what you can pick up for your household. Now for me, I'm actually going to pick up the Equate version of the Bear at 98 cents because I'm going to see my grandmother and she told me she needed some Bear, and this is exactly what Bear is, just the generic version. So I'll pay 98 cents but get back the 10 cents, making it just 88 cents. It's a deal on the biotin at $3.88. It's the small one. You can pick this up. There is a $1.50 coupon we just got in the 724 saved, and there's a $1.50 rebate for it on Ibotta. It'll end up costing you just 88 cents. Plus If you don't have the paper coupon, there is a rebate for it on the coupons.com app. Nivea is now back on Ibotta. This shave gel at $3.47 is attaching to a 75-cent rebate on my account. In the either the cooling or the soothing is attaching to a $2 rebate on Ibotta for my account. They also have a bonus, I think, of $1 when you purchase 2 of the Nivea Men products. So get to scan it in your store and get the products you need for your house. Always check your clearance aisles, you guys, and stands, because you never know what you can find. So I found this hemp Z. Now y'all know this stuff is hella expensive. It's $19.48. Well, I still have a couple of these $3 off coupons, so that's going to take it down to $9.98. But I also have a $4 rebate for it on checkout 51. So that's going to take it down to just $5.98 for a lotion that's typically 20 bucks. And I've been wanting to try this lotion, just did not want to pay the full price of what it costs. So perfect time to pick it up. To Aaliyah Saves, I saw this on her post. First, I'm going to pick up one of these Dove Women Dry Sprays and one of the Men Dry Sprays. They're both $1.97 each. Plus, they both have 610 buy and scan kicks available on Shopkick. So that's going to make them $2.44. That I'll get back, makes them a 47-cent money maker. So the Olay at $1.77. The body wash, the travel size, is attaching to the rebate on Shopkick again. I have up to 500 points, which is $2. These are $1.77. Going to make it a nice little 27-cent money maker. If you're in some desperate need of some shampoo and conditioner, here's one thing you can do with the Pantene products. You can pick up one that's marked for $3.82. It does have a $1 rebate that is attaching to on Ibotta, makes it $2.82. All right, here's something I'm going to try. I've been wanting to try it out, and that's this Veet Sugar Wax hair remover. It's $8.47. We have a $2 rebate for it on Ibotta. Plus, we also have up to 770 buy and scan, which is equivalent to $3.08. So that's $5.08 in total rebates that I'm going to get back, which leaves my total at just $3.39. So yep, I want to try this out, so I'm going to get it. I finally found a store that had the small bottles, small Lysol wipes for $3.47. I'm going to use this $1 coupon here. I have a 25-cent rebate for them on Ibotta, so I'll get back 50 cents. But because this is my third time picking up Lysol products, I'll also get back an additional 75-cent bonus for it as well. So it's going to make my final total for both of them just $4.69. So I'll pick up both of these. Here's a deal on my Bay. Y'all know I love me some Persil. They have a rebate on Ibotta. Mine is just for 50 cents. Yours could be up to $1. It could be up to $2. Nonetheless, the coupon expired yesterday, but there is a $2 rebate on the coupons.com app that you can also get back. Plus, there are points on Shopkicks up to 570 on the liquid and 550 on the pods. So I'm going to end up getting mine. I'm going to pick up the liquid, and I'm only going to pay about 66 cents after all the rebates. Here I picked up the Lysol sanitizer. Y'all know I love this stuff. It's so expensive now, but I use this $1.50 coupon that I have for my insert. There used to be a rebate on the coupons.com app, but it's gone now. So then I loaded it to my account. I think I got 75 cents back for it as well, it was a little bit higher at $1.50 originally last week, but when it reset, it only set to 75 cents. So that's what I got back for this product. Now, of course, when I come to do the daggone pedigree deal, now one of my rebates is missing. I still have the rebate for this high protein one. That's $1.08, and this buy one, get one free. Basically, $1.08. Spend it, get back $1.08 from the rebate. But my $1.50 one is missing for when you buy the 3, you'll get back the $1.50. However, there is a rebate on the coupons.com app. When you purchase 3, you will get back $1.50 as well. So you'll spend $2.84 out of pocket for it, but you'll get back $1.08 plus $1.50 on the coupons.com app, leaving you at just 26 cents for all 3. I gotta pick up my freebie here at $1.98. And our insert this weekend, we got the free warmer. So this is going to be completely free. Also, if you need some, y'all, this freshly new day one, it smells divine. It's marked down in my store to $8.23. It does have a $3 rebate attaching to it. Plus there's another rebate that I got on the coupons.com app that is also attaching to it, so you can get it probably a little less than $5. Here's another deal on some of the finished tabs. You can pick these up at $3.34. There is a 75-cent off printable you can get on their website. Of course, I left mine at the house, so I can't use it, but it is also attaching to a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. I have the breakdown in my Google Doc for you guys. There's also a $1.75 that's attaching to the Quantum ones. You can get any one of them, and then there's also another one that's attaching to the Jet Dry as well. So there's quite a few deals that you can get back on the finished products this week at Walmart through Ibotta. And if you like spray and wash, the rebate is back on there. If you pick up the Max one, which is actually this one, it's $4.22. The regular one is $2.98. It has a $1 rebate for it, so it'll make it $1.98 for the regular one. That these color scent trash bags are also have a rebate. This, the 8-gallon one, has a $1 rebate for it. That would make it $2.54, and then this one has a $1 rebate for it as well on the purple one, which would make it $3.83. So you got the 4-gallon and the 8-gallon, and of course you can pick up this one as well. This one is attaching to the one for the 8-gallon one. You can pick up the Breakstone as well at $1.28. I remember this used to be $1.18, but it has a 50-cent rebate that is attaching to it on Ibotta. Yours could be a different rebate, but mine is for 50 cents. So if you like the collators, they are back. They have 75-cent rebates for various ones, and when you pick up 2 of them, there is a bonus, I think 50 or 75-cent bonus. So if you like these, pick them on up. Hopefully this is still showing when you guys see it. It told me I only got an hour left to obtain it in the store, but you can pick up one of these Kinder blends, except for this one. This one's not attaching, and you can get back $1 for it on Ibotta. I saw this on Sister Saving You Cents. She said this one's her favorite, but of course it's not attaching to this one, but the other ones it is attaching. So it's certain ones, so just make sure you scan it in the store before you purchase it. Okay, y'all, so here is my breakdown. I did it in 3 separate transactions. Spent $64.36 without tax, $68.21 with tax. Here's everything I got back. I got back $12.55 from Ibotta, $2 from the coupons.com app for the Persil, $8 from Checkout 51 for the lotion and for the Tenna pads, 6 cents from Swag Bucks. I loaded all 3 of my receipts and got back 2 cents for each one. $13.28 from Shopkick, you guys. That's in buy and scan kicks. 25 cents from Fetch. That was me loading all of my receipts. Of course, I got a few extra points for the Airwick and for the Lysol products. And then I got back $1.67 already credited back to me from Brand Club from a Persil survey that I did last week, and also for the Lysol sanitizer for the laundry as well. So that made my total of getting back $37.81. Made my final total out of pocket $26.55 without tax and $30.40 with tax. So a little less than a little more than half, actually, a little less than half that I got back, including the tax. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. Until the next time, you guys, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.